Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remotely lock a lost phone. So to do this, you're going to use Find My Device or Find My Phone. So if you don't have this application, download it from App Store or the Apple Store. Alright, so after opening it up, I'll need to put in my password. So you see a blank screen because I'm putting in my password. Alright, so after putting in my password, as you can see, in order to locate my phone, you need to make sure that your phone you're locating has your email address. As you can see, this is my email address, and my email address is in this current phone of mine and also the phone I'm tracking, which is lost. So just tap on that phone you're tracking, and when you tap on that phone you're tracking, it will then start loading up here, and then it will then load up its location. So once it has loaded up its location, you can either choose to enable secure and erase. Okay, so just tap on this option here, enable secure and erase. Once you tap on this option, it will automatically lock that phone and it won't be used by that person who stole it. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.